Hey y'all, Billy Goat Goddard here, back for day 2 of the swap and tuck. So we'll be getting most of the front clip off today, and most of the motor ready to come out. Got to get my cherry picker back for my friend. But other than that, no, I'll be taking on full blast. So yeah, I'll show you what we did today. So far this morning, since we've been out here, see all my good white kitty litter. Yeah, so we did the battery, did the heater hoses, and we also got the lights pretty much ready to be pulled all off the front end, and we'll start the wiring once we get the clip off. See, it's pretty much everywhere in here, so I mean, it'll be fun. But yeah, so stay tuned for more, and we'll have some more videos coming back at you. And yeah, like and subscribe down at the bottom. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a great day.